Hi, I'm just about to start the strawberry meringue layer cake. It looks amazing. And I've started lining my tins and realised that I need to video it. So basically, I'm going to try this with just normal sandwich tins to see if it works, so you don't have to buy the springform tins if you haven't got it. So I'll let you know on the add-ons. Basically, I've put some butter around the outside, and now I was at the flour bit and then I realised I need to do it. So all I've got is some flour in there. So I'm just going to make sure that the cake tin has a layer of flour sticking to the butter, like that. I don't know if you can see it. So it's got flour all around it. I'm going to put a tad more in for up the sides. And then any extra you've got in, you just bang it round. It's all coated and then tip out any extra. So basically, that's the 2 tins floured, and then I'm going to line them just on the bottom with some greaseproof paper. Right, in this bowl I've got 100 grams of caster sugar and 100 grams of very soft unsalted butter. In this bowl I've got 125 grams of plain flour, 25 grams of corn flour and 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder. I'm going to cream these two together, and then I'm going to separate the eggs so that I'm just going to use the egg yolks for the butter, but I'll come back to you. Right, in the bowl I've whisked up the butter and sugar till it's very soft and combined, and now I've separated the eggs. I've got 4 egg yolks in there and the egg whites I'm going to use for the meringues. So I'm just going to mix with that. Mixed in the 4 egg yolks with the butter and sugar that I'd creamed before. The egg whites we're going to use later. I'm going to mix in the dry ingredients now. So I've got the flour, corn flour and baking powder in there. I'm going to add those in. I'm going to add the vanilla essence in, and then I'm going to fold it. Right, I'm just going to fold in the flour and the vanilla essence into my bowl. Remember, just cutting it through, figure of 8 to fold it in, so it's all combined. Then I'm going to add a little bit of milk just to loosen the batter off a bit, and before I put it in the tin I'll come back to you. So I've folded the flour in, and it's quite a hard mixture. Quite a hard mixture. So what I'm going to do is add some milk in. Put it in here, just to loosen the batter off. Remember your batter cakes from before? I'm just going to fold that in, and I'll come back to you. Right, the batter is done. So we get it there, and it is to the normal cake batter consistency. Now what I'm going to do with that is split that up between the 2 tins, weigh them so that they're level, and then I'll come back to you with the meringue. Right, I've whisked the egg whites to the turnover stage, and now what I'm going to do is I've got the caster sugar weighed out here. I'm going to do what we did before and just add a spoon at a time, whisk it for a good long while, and then add the other sugar a tablespoon at a time, like this. Right, now I've got the pans with the cake batter in, the 2 pans, and I'm just going to split up the meringue into each pan. Again, you can weigh them so that they're the same weights if you want to. Level these off, and then I'll come back to you. Right, cakes are in the tins I should say. All I'm going to do now is flake on the almonds, the 50 grams of almonds over the top of the meringue. As I said, this should be done in a spring form tan, that's what pan, but I'm trying it in this just to see if it works. So when I'm getting it out, I will video it so you can see if it's a disaster or not. And so I'm just splitting up the meringues between the two, and these are going to go in the oven at 180 degrees. I'll do that as an add-on because I don't think I said that at the beginning. For 25 to 30 minutes, and I'll show you when they come out. Cakes are at the oven. They had about 35 minutes and they're in the end. You can tell they're done because the meringue is like that. And what I'm going to do is leave these to cool completely in the tin, and only get them out the tin when I'm ready to put it all together. I'm going to whisk up some double cream and cut up some strawberries to go in the middle, and I'll show you what you do, because you flip, you put it on the plate you're going to serve it, and you flip it so that you've got meringue, then cake, then the cream, then the strawberries, then cake, then meringue. But I'll show you that probably tomorrow. I'm going to leave them to cool overnight because it's quite late now. Right, so I'm going to attempt to get the cake out of the tin. I'm just going to try one and video it and see how we get on. I've got the dishwasher on, so that's the noise you can hear. I'm just running a knife on the edge to make sure it's loose there. I've got the Pringle tin, so I'm going to stand it on there and push it down. Oh, look. Well, it has broke a bit there, but that's alright. Meringue. And what you do is you invert it, so hopefully this will work. I've got a plate, turn it upside down, move that away, see if you can see it. Yes, you can. Take the bottom of the tray off, and oh, look. And then the cake is in there, obviously, with the meringue on the bottom. Now I'm going to whip some cream up, put some cream and strawberries on, and then put the other side with the cake facing down, so the other side, so the meringue will be on top, and I'll show you a video at the end. Now I've got the cake, I've mixed the cream up. It's quite stiff, so I like it stiff so it doesn't all leak out, and all I'm going to do is spread it on. Oh. The cake, you have to be quite gentle, I think, so just seeing the meringue moving a bit, so I would say just be gentle. And spread it over. Just got this on a plate. This is just 1 carton of cream. I don't think we needed any more. It did say slightly more in the recipe, but I was like, oh, I'm going to buy 2 cartons when 1 will do, and this is absolutely plenty enough. In there, in that corner, and then I've just cut some strawberries, Norfolk strawberries, and I'm just going to lay them however you want in the cake. Some I've cut, some I've left whole. I'll put it all together and I'll come back to you. Right, there's the cake with the cream and the strawberries on, and then I've just got the top part. I'm just going to be gentle with it. Slide it onto my hand, and on the top, as in James Bond, and just press it down ever so gently. Let me see if you can see that. And that is a finished cake. Look at that. That's massive. That's absolutely massive. But hopefully it tastes amazing. We will see. You lot will tell me. This is for my friend who's not very well, and the practice ones I always give her and that to cheer her up. So I think she's going to like this one.